Good morning. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. Today is Monday, August 2nd, and this is your opening bell market update. U.S. stock futures are trading higher Monday ahead of manufacturing data and comments from the Federal Reserve on the economy. The ISM manufacturing gauge for July will be released 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Economists expect that the index fell to 54.1 in July from 56.2 in June. Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke will start speaking about the economy shortly thereafter. Treasury Secretary Timothy Geithner is also scheduled to speak at New York University on the next steps for financial reform. In corporate news, Humana reported second quarter earnings of $2.11, topping the street estimate of $1.67 per share. Revenues for the quarter rose by 9.69% year over year to $8.65 billion, ahead of the street estimate of $8.61 billion. Loews Corp reported second quarter earnings of 87 cents, ahead of consensus estimates of 82 cents per share. Revenues for the quarter fell by 1.5% nearly year over year to $3.49 billion, missing the street estimate of $3.62 billion. Taking a look at market futures this morning, the Dow Jones Industrial Average futures are trading 103 points above fair value. The S&P 500 futures trading about 12.5 points above fair value, and the Nasdaq Composite trading 18.75 points above fair value. Now, for more perspective on what will be happening in the markets today, let's turn it to Andy Zamfotis from Lagard Capital. Good morning, Andy.
Morning, Christy. Well, we have a new trading month here in August after July's pretty strong month, up almost 7%. Futures are up over 100 points versus fair value. European markets are up about 2% across the board on stronger than expected earnings out of BNP Paribas and HSBC. So far, about two-thirds of the S&P 500 have reported earnings. About 85% have either beaten or matched expectations. At this same point in the first quarter, only about 78% had beaten earnings expectations. So we're actually doing a little bit better in terms of pace. Today on the economic data front, at 10 o'clock we have ISM, manufacturing, and also construction spending. So that'll give people a little bit of some data to help them shape their morning trade. But right now the S&P 500 is a little bit below the 200-day moving average. I've been talking about that last week, it being a key pivot level. Looks like we might open right above that level. So we'll be really interested to see if we can close either above it or right there. A couple times last week we hit it and then fell back down. We are in August now, so volumes could be a little bit on the lighter side. So we'll see if traders want to stick around and get aggressive here when they buy stocks.
All right, thanks so much, Andy. I'm Christy Duffy for SmarTrend News. For more news and market analysis throughout the day, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's Trade the Trend. Also visit our website, tradethetrend.com, for more headlines.